Which of the following component of the light microscope illuminates the specimen by gathering diffuse rays from the light microscope? Condenser lens. Which of the following magnification of the ocular will occupy maximum retinal surface? 50x. Ocular lens forms a virtual image. True. The resolution attained by microscope is limited by diffraction. 527 nanometers is the wavelength of white light. The numerical aperture is constant for each lens. True. The maximum possible numerical aperture of 1.5 is for oil immersion lens. The fulgent stain is used for staining chromosomes. Which of the following is used for the preparation of a section specimen? Fixative. A fixative immobilizes the macromolecular components of the cell. Which of the following cannot be used as a fixative? Vitamin B12. Slides containing adherent paraffin sections are immersed in toluene. Unstained specimen can be visualized using phase contrast microscope. Which of the following gives a three-dimensional quality of the image? Differential interference contrast. Rhodamine is a fluorochrome.